Hey, we've got our next acquisition. This is a commercial. We're going to do this a commercial at the Resi. It's going to be multiple apartments, and today is day one of getting these keys. Okay, so we have bought another commercial building. So I'm going to show you the ideas and what we're going to be doing with it. And you can follow the journey with this one all the way through to the end. So you can see the start, the process and the finish, so you can mirror this too. All right. So today is the demolition phase. We're getting the mobilization of health and safety, and yeah, it's really exciting. I want to show you around what it looks like now, and then check back in another video and see stage 2. Yeah, remember, if I can do it, I'm just like you. I'm just learning how to do the process. We've been in probably 12 years, but collapse timescales. Let me help you do this by getting the right mentor. Now, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more updates like this, so you get the alert when the next video kicks in. All right, visit tomheaney.com if you want to come and spend 2 days with us, where we can help you mirror this over 2 days as a free event. So tomheaney.com. Come on, let's have a look. So commercial properties, it doesn't have to be a pub, it could be anything. A commercial property that has no longer been used as a commercial entity, you might have to go for planning, you might be able to do it through something called permitted development. Doesn't matter. Ultimately, if you want to change it, you have to go through a process of change. Now, the benefit of commercial is the fact that often there's quite good space, often open plan like this, look at it. I could almost do a bit of a Mary dancing here. But the benefit is that because it's an open plan, we can now chunk it into a residential space that we want and the community wants. Yeah, for me, what's massively important to us is that we create affordable luxury. Like, we want to help the local communities really raise the bar on what's possible in terms of the lifestyle, accessible to latest technology, trends, design, style. So that's massively important. But because we're a business and I want you to do the same, you also want to build assets which create cash flow. Because cash flow is king or queen. Because cash flow every month, if it's coming in every month, it means that you have more choice to do with what you want if you know money's coming in whilst you sleep. Yeah? So if you want to learn more about this, remember, visit tomheaney.com, get some tickets, attend one of our free events, because this stuff is life-changing. You just need to know the knowledge, but you need to have the right mindset. So maybe you're in a space right now where you hate your job, or you know that there's more to life than what you're doing right now. I've been there, I get it. Now, over the past 12 years, I've been in property as a side hustle, then went full-time for 3 years ago. Why did I do that? Is because I knew there was a better way. And so I started looking at assets accumulation, creating cash flow, helping amazing communities raise the bar on the standard of living. And if you do a great customer service, offer great value and service, and you make it at a great price, then you've got a great business model, regardless of your property. So I just thought, you know what, I'm going to apply that same model into property. I'm going to help more people. So think about it for a moment. You've got an opportunity now to change that. Imagine I've got a rubber, we're rubbing it out, and you're changing that mindset and thinking, actually, the world's changed. The 21st century is the best time to get into property. Now is the best time to get into property, because people will always need to rent. As long as you provide a great product and service, people will then want to rent from you. But then they rent every month, therefore you don't have to go and exchange your time for money. So that's why it's an amazing asset-backed business which you need to get involved in, even if it's a secondary hustle for you. So you might love your job, great. But imagine in 10 years' time you might want to change, but you don't have that choice because you didn't have a secondary income stream coming in. That's why this is what you need to do now. Visit tomheaney.com, get some tickets, they're on me, attend one of our events, and let me get to know you so I can help you make the next step in your wealth creation. So let's look around this project now. We're going to turn this into 7 rooms downstairs. Let's have a look upstairs too. Oh, it's all right. There's a door flying down here. That's why we've got this on. So that's currently getting stripped out upstairs. Should we go upstairs? We're coming up, everybody. So I'm looking around thinking, wow, it'll be cool keeping that fireplace. Look how big these rooms are. So much light. So somebody is going to have an amazing place to live here once we've renovated it. Now this has been lying derelict for like nearly a year. So isn't it a great feeling to think, you know what? Not only are you building assets, not only are you building passive income, but you're also helping people in the community have more choice in where to stay and live. And affordable luxury where that, you know what, compared to the competition, they are getting a better product, a better service, and a better experience because of you. Isn't that amazing? So let's have a look around. This is going to be a big room. There's another room here. Now you might be thinking, gosh Tom, that looks like a really scary project, like don't know where to start. That's where education is an essential part of your transition from being a closed mindset, a traditional focused property person or a traditional person when it comes to wealth, to a wider opportunity of creating wealth from property, yeah? So the transition is education, right? So attend us at the Property Wealth and Cashflow course. Remember, visit tomheaney.com where we'll show you the steps. Like you might not want to wear the hard hat. It doesn't matter. I'll show you these systems so you don't have to. You might want to do this. I love this process, so that's why we do it. But I teach you on our programs about doing what you love and outsource the rest. It's called leverage. Outsource and create a team to do what you don't like to do, and you do the bits you love, right? So this is going to be another fantastic apartment. High quality. We spend a lot of money on these, but our return on investment is great. How do I know that? Because we've done the maths and we'll show you how to do it on our courses. So if you like this stuff, remember, come and visit us, tomheaney.com, let me meet you in person or join us on one of our courses. I look forward to seeing you on the next video where we'll show you the next stage on this project, because today's demo day 1 and we'll look at how we're doing phase 2, which is then reconfiguration, and that'll be stage 3, finishes, stage 4, dressing, and then renting it out. Hope you've enjoyed this. Check out the rest of the videos, hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you get a reminder when the next video is live, and I look forward to seeing you in real life soon. Take care. There you go, thanks for watching. If you like this stuff and you want to see more, there's more videos just right there. And every single week I post brand new content for you about how to become a property investor or developer. All I ask is subscribe so you can see this every week, and like and comment. But if you also want to see me on other channels, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn are right below, so click on there too. I look forward to seeing you real soon face to face. Take care.